Hey guys, welcome to yet another CorelDraw tutorial. On today's episode, I'll be showing you how to make this kind of logo. Come with me as we start. For the alphabet logo, first to pick the text, I'll be using letter D. Then we drop, after dropping the text tool, we adjust the letter D, increase the size. Then we pick at the font. I'll be using 200. You enter. Then you make this bold. And then we go and pick out the second text. J. Now we adjust the letter J. We size this. Then we also pick out the font. I'll also be using 200 for the font size. Then we'll make this bold. Now I'll be changing the font style to be able to get what I want. So if you want to change the font style, this is where you will go for text. So I will adjust this. I'm adjusting it so it will blend well with the letter D. Then we move it. To move, all you just need to do is to click and drag. Now we're going to blend this, so we pick the rectangle tool. We draw a rectangle in between this. Then we drop that tool. And I try to adjust it. So we're going to zoom this in so we can get the size we want. Now we adjust that rectangle. You click on the rectangle, try to adjust it to bring it together. That's it. Then we highlight everything. We highlight the whole objects and we click on blend. So you see it cuts it out. Now we delete the rectangle, just click on delete, and you see that. Let's zoom back in. You see that it blends perfectly well. So immediately you click on highlight everything, the blend tool comes up. Now we want to pick a color. We'll go to the smart fill. Now you click. Click on the smart fill. Click on what the exact object you want to smart fill. Then we'll click on the J. We pick a color for the J. Pick on the J. Now we want to drop the outline. We right click to drop the outline. We'll do the same thing to J. Now you see, because we did not drop the smart fill, it picks out the J tool. So always remember to drop your tool before using it for the next object or for the next work you want to do. We right click to drop the outline. Then we highlight this, we group, Ctrl G for group. Now we draw a rectangle. We want to draw a clip, we can place this on. Then we'll go and drop the rectangle. And then you pick a color for that. You can make it white, you can make it gray, whatever color you want, you pick it. And then let's say we're using this color, we want to remove the outline, we right click on the X. You see that black line around it, that's called the outline, has been removed. Now we want to give this a shadow. We click on the shadow tool, we drag, we click and drag, and then we click. You see, after doing that, a shadow appears in the background. So if you want to adjust your shadow to whatever size or whichever direction, this is what you use. You just go up there and you adjust it. Another way of adjusting it is, okay, you can still adjust with this. If you want the shadow further or if you want it closer, this is the tool you use. Another way of adjusting it is by clicking on this black box, then you drag. Make sure it's on the black box. Okay, now you go and drop your shadow tool. You can adjust to the top, to the bottom, wherever you want your shadow to be placed. You can always adjust to that point. So we drop this. Now we highlight this and we drag it to this clip we've placed there. Now we see that when we drop it there, it goes to the background. So what we do is we right click on the box, go to order and go to back of page. Now you see that this is placed at the back of the page. Another way of doing this is we just go to power clip, click on objects, power clip, and place in frame. So we click on this and your DJ is on that frame. So we drop this. Now if you want to edit, all you need to do is to click on that frame and you click on edit, and you see you can resize it, you can adjust it, whatever editing you want to do. If you want to change the color, if you want to change the alphabet, if you want to add something to it, you can do that right here and you click on finish editing. So that's that for your letter or for your alphabet logo. It is very, very easy to do. Now if you are learning anything so far, please do well to like this video and subscribe. Now for the second logo, we click on the ellipse or the cycle tool, Ctrl drag for a perfect cycle, then you drop that and you click on the edge of the tool, hold your shift and drag inside for another perfect circle inside it. You see we've got a perfect cycle. Now we want to give this a color, so all we need to do is go to our smart fill, click on it, then we click on that space and you see only that part is given a color. Now you select whichever color you want it to be, then you do the same thing for the outside and you also select whichever color you want that to be, and then always remember to drop your tool after your work. Now after doing that, we want to put a text inside this. We go to text, we write out the text we want to put inside. JEB International Group of School. Now we make this bold. The same way we edited the text for the alphabet logo, that's the same thing we're going to do. Now after doing that, we go to text at the top corner. Now click on fit to parts. You see it's fits itself into that space. All you just need to do is to adjust to get the perfect angle or the perfect location you want to put it. After doing that, we click to drop, and then we'll go back to our text, click on text again. We want to put a text at the bottom part too, so we say knowledge is power. Now you drop the text too, make this bold. Now we adjust the size of this. Now I want this to be equal, so we get the size of the first text that was there to be the same. So we'll make this 40. We'll adjust this to 40. Now you click on the other text and you do the same thing. Adjust it to 40 so that all the text will be with the same font size. You click on this, you go to text and you click on fit to parts. Fit text to parts. And then you just adjust it to whichever angle or direction you want it to be, and you click. And it fits perfectly to that part. Now we want to add another design to this, so I'll go to star, where you have the polygon and other shape. That's where you have the star. You click and drag, and then you click. You drop that too. Then you duplicate this. Ctrl D for duplicate. Now we give this a color. We make this white, and then we click on right click on X to remove the outline. Now you see nothing is showing because it is white, but it is there. You see, so we click on it and drag, place it on whichever part you want to. Do the same thing to the other one. You can choose to edit it before you duplicate, so you don't have to edit twice. And really drop. Now we want to add a design in this, so to be able to do that, we click on Ctrl F11. When you click on Ctrl F11, you see that a dialog box is going to pop up by your right hand side. So that's it. Now you move it from, we've picked the logo we want, we're trying to adjust it. All you just need to do is to look for the logo you want, double click on it, or you can click and copy, and it will appear on your page. Now we're trying to adjust this logo. And then you group so they will move together. Ctrl G for grouping. And we move this into this place. Another way we can move it is by going to power clip and place, and then we click on the frame we want to place it in. Then we'll go to edit to adjust. Edit. You see it brings out the work we place inside that frame. Then we edit it, we drag. And when you are done, you just click on finish editing, and there you have it, your logo. Now we'll group this, Ctrl G, so everything is together, all the objects, all the work we've done are placed together or are grouped together. Now that's that for your logo design. So if you have any questions, do it to drop it on the comment section. Like, subscribe and share this video for more. And like I said, when we get to 1,000 subscribers, the first 1,000 subscribers are going to be given free CorelDraw software. Now we want to export these documents. We click on File. First of all, we save it. If you want to save, you just click on File, go to Save As, and save. Now if you want to export this, we go to File also, or we click on Ctrl E. So let's go to File. You see it there, it's showing there, it says Ctrl E, export. Now if you want to move it to JPEG file so that you can share with your phone, maybe you design a logo, you want to share it to someone to be printed out, that's what you do. You export it to JPEG file. Now you click on custom and go to highest, so it gives you the highest quality, and you press OK. No need to adjust any other thing, just the quality, and you press OK. Now this file has been transformed into a JPEG file.